9시에서 10시 사이에 된 진생 신나라.
So usually when they left those things here, so I think you can get it if it is still usable for you. And so binigyan tayo ng chance to eat in CU for 30 minutes. Let's eat there. So, nakabalik na tayo. We are going back. At busog na ako. So, busog. So let's see if there's some. And so we are here in Daiso. And I bought some pasalubong for my parents. Let's see what's more. So ito yung parang sa radish kimchi nila. Hindi sila dito. But I don't know if this mango came from the Philippines. Today, ito lang yung mga food that pastor can eat. One of his is banana. Today is, 2 to 3 days is a diet day for him. We bought many things today. So nowadays it's very hot here. The temperature runs from 20 to 23 this time. So I can just wear t-shirts. But he still wear the jacket.
That's you?
No. Kaya nga, plain na.
Yeah.
Ayan, so starting today, we're gonna use this watch 8. So, mas light. Actually, yung watch natin, parang 2021 natin siya natanggap. So, I use it for 5 years. And this one, this year 2026, natanggap naman natin yung Galaxy Watch 8.
다루진 못하고.
This is our night walk. Wow. 10 seconds. Still can do? 20. Wow. So after we bought Galaxy 8, he bought this Leica smartwatch. So he don't want the Galaxy. So he bought this. Let's see. Take this. Let's see. So this is how you charge it. Like this.
그는 앞에서
And so I was looking like this in the Philippines, but I cannot find fitted to my feet. So I look over here if there is like this here. So I found it with a very low price here. So that's why I bought it. In the Philippines, maybe with a known brand, it's expensive. But here, talagang fitted sa akin. Diba? Cute. So this is the parang ano niya. To make it tighten, you just pull it here on the side. Wow. Cute. So I remember I bought like this before and I use it maybe for parang 3 years ko I used this one. Then it broken and then I was trying to look for it again but I couldn't find it and it's very expensive to the very popular brand, so I cannot bought it. I mean, I cannot buy it. That's why I'm very happy that I have this once again. So you can use also this one for trekking. Diba? So in the church, I usually wear Crocs. So now I have this.